In this video, I'll show you how agents can answer incoming calls in Dynamics 365 customer service and how they can utilize the Agent Copilot to help solve customer issues quickly. In this scenario, we're following Anna, who has a complaint about an order that was damaged during shipment. Anna calls Contoso's customer service department, and the call is assigned to Dion. The Agent Copilot in Dynamics 365 Customer Service helps Dion resolve Anna's issue quickly. When a call is made, it flows into Dynamics 365 for customer service. An agent will see the voice call request notification on the right side of the screen. They can either reject or accept the voice call. When they accept the voice call, the customer summary and communication panel will load. The customer summary screen has all details about the customer, such as profile information and related data. You'll see here related cases, orders, invoices, etc. This is a screen that is completely configurable, so we can surface any records on that screen. You'll also see the timeline on the right-hand side, showing all interactions with this customer. We also have the ability to transfer calls to others or consult with agents or supervisors. We can mute the call, put it on hold, and we can also start recording and transcription. This is also something that can be automated, so all calls are automatically recorded and transcribed. Anna informs the agent that she received her shipment, but unfortunately, all the items were damaged. Dion utilizes Copilot inside of Dynamics 365 to help resolve the issue as she's talking to Anna. Copilot generates a response based on the knowledge content in Dynamics 365, so Dion can very quickly give all the instructions that are needed to start the return process. Anna now understands what she needs to do and is very happy how quickly and efficiently her issue was handled. Anna ends the conversation, and Copilot automatically loads a summary of the conversation. From here, the agent can copy the summary or create a case based on the issue that was just handled. From here, Dion can save and resolve the case.